If you're seeing Beehiiv error code 461, don't worry. In this video, I'll walk you through the quickest fixes step by step so you can get back into your account and publish without wasting time. This kind of error is usually caused by a temporary session issue, a connection problem, a browser conflict, or an account access restriction. The good news is that most of the time, you can fix it in just a few minutes. And before we begin, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software fixes and step-by-step tutorials. Let's get started. First, refresh the Beehiiv page. Sometimes the error is just a temporary loading problem, and a simple refresh is enough to restore the page. If that doesn't work, log out of your Beehiiv account completely, then sign back in. This helps reset your session and clears out any temporary login issues that may be triggering the error. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause Beehiiv to fail when loading your dashboard or publication pages. If your internet looks unstable, wait a moment and try again. If you're on Wi-Fi, reconnect to the network or restart your router if needed. If you are using a VPN, disable it and try again. Beehiiv may block or limit access from certain VPN servers, and turning it off can instantly solve the problem. If you're not using a VPN, try accessing Beehiiv from a different network instead. For example, switch from Wi-Fi to mobile hotspot, or try a different trusted connection. This helps you figure out whether the issue is tied to your current network. Another common fix is clearing your browser cache and cookies. Over time, your browser stores old data that can interfere with website login sessions and cause weird access errors. Go into your browser settings, clear the cache and cookies for Beehiiv, then restart the browser and try loading the site again. If the problem continues, open Beehiiv in an Incognito window. This is a really useful test because Incognito Mode starts with a clean session and usually disables most stored browser data. If Beehiiv works in Incognito, then the issue is likely related to your regular browser data or one of your extensions. That brings us to browser extensions. Disable any extensions you have installed, especially ad blockers, privacy tools, script blockers, or security add-ons. These can sometimes interfere with Beehiiv's login or page loading process. After turning them off, refresh Beehiiv and see if the error is gone. If you're still stuck, try a different browser. For example, if you normally use Chrome, test Beehiiv in Firefox, Edge, or Safari. This helps you confirm whether the issue is browser-specific. Sometimes, a browser update, setting, or extension conflict can trigger error code 461 even when everything else is working normally. Now check your account email. Make sure your Beehiiv address has been confirmed. If your email verification was never completed, some features or pages may not load correctly. Open your inbox, look for the confirmation email from Beehiiv, and complete the verification if needed. You should also check whether your account is restricted. If Beehiiv has placed any limitation on your account, that could be the reason you're seeing error code 461. Review any account notices, warnings, or emails from Beehiiv that mention restrictions, security issues, or access problems. Finally, make sure you actually have permission to access the publication. If you're trying to open a publication that belongs to another team or workspace, your account may not have the right access level. In that case, the publication owner or admin will need to grant you permission before you can continue. Once you've gone through these steps, Beehiiv error code 461 should be much easier to fix. In most cases, the solution is one of the common issues we covered today: session problems, browser data, extensions, VPNs, or account access permissions. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more troubleshooting guides, and comment below if you want help with another Beehiiv error. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.